Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So I said in previous video that I will give answer of two questions in today's video. So let's start. The question number 34 is asking that the smallest unit of culture is, so correct answer will be cultural trait. Here is, it should be trait, not trail. So question number 30 7 is asking that cultural complex means smallest unit of culture, combination of various cultural traits, cultural area, cultural pattern. So correct answer will be combination of various cultural traits. Moving on to the next question. As I saw the video that I was missing some questions. So why not revise all those questions? So start from the question number 41. Which perspective did Auguste Comte use in the study of society? Structural perspective, historical, conflict, or functional? So correct answer will be historical. So let's revise who were the in structural perspective. Structural perspective is started from the structuralism is started from Levi-Strauss, and conflict perspective is propounder of conflict perspective is Karl Marx. Then Ralph Dahrendorf also followed in this perspective. Functional perspective we can consider is led by Emile Durkheim. Then Talcott Parsons, Redcliffe Bound was also from functional perspective. So, question number 42 is asking, it is a way of looking at events, forms, and process through the trained eyes of a scientist. What will be the correct answer of this question? Perspective, ideal type, theory, values. So here answer will be perspective. The smallest unit of social structure is individual, status, role, group. Correct answer will be individual. Who among the following propounded the concept of latent and manifest functions? Correct answer will be R.K. Merton. R.K. Merton gave these two concepts in which he said that latent functions are those which are hidden and unintended, but while manifest functions are those which are recognized and intended. Question number 45 is asking, the concept of social structure was first used by whom? Merton, Cooley, McIver, Spencer. So here correct answer will be Spencer. 46. Which of the following is not a functional prerequisite of social system according to Parsons? Social disjunction, pattern maintenance and tension management, adaptance to the environment, goal attainment. So we know that Talcott Parsons give agile model. So here all options 2, 3, 4 are the part of agile model, but social disjunction is not any part. So correct answer will be social disjunction. Social theory and social structure is written by whom? Robert G. Henry, Durkheim, Albert B. Cohen, R.K. Merton. So this famous book is written by R.K. Merton. Which is the appropriate example of ascribed status? We know that Ralph Linton has proposed two concepts like achieved status and ascribed status. These are regarding achieved are based by birth and ascribed, I pronounced the opposite. Ascribed status is given by birth, while achieved is to acquired in whole life, which person can achieve. So what is the ascribed status example in this question? Teacher, although one person can born it not, teacher is while starting is he not become teacher. Teacher is achieved status. Son, prime minister, clerk also is achieved status. Prime minister is also status. Son is the ascribed status. So correct answer will be option number 2. Question number 49 is asking, match the items in the list 1 with the items in the list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Role strain, role conflict, role transition, role set. So a trick is we have to choose from the easiest one. Role set is a cluster of associated roles that together form a social status. So D is equal to 1, which is come in two options. So we have to match another one. Role strain, difficulty in meeting one's role obligation. A is equal to 2. It comes in option number 3. So let's match another options. Option number role conflict is competing demands of two roles at a time. C is equal to 3. No, C is change from one role to another is role transition. C is equal to 4. B is equal to 3. So correct answer will be option number 3. So moving on to the next question. The term status group was coined by Max Weber. Correct answer will be Max Weber. Which one of the following is indicate ascribed status? A law graduate, a gram panchayat, a married person, a woman. So all the option number 1, 2, 3 we are an example of achieved status, while a woman is the example of ascribed status. So correct answer will be option number 4. Who gave looking glass self theory? Cooley, Davis, Mead, Durkheim. Correct answer will be Cooley. Cooley gave also primary group and secondary groups. He said primary group is very important. And Kingsley Davis wrote book Human Society. George Herbert Mead worked in symbolic interactionism and gave theory of me, myself, I. Durkheim is the academic father of sociology. Moving on to the next question number 53. Socialization is process of learning, reading, writing, observing. Socialization is process of learning. So option number 1 is correct answer. Which of the following is not an agency of socialization? Question number 54 is asking which of the following is not an agency of socialization? Family, peer group, police, school. So correct answer will be police. Question number 55. The concept of I and me with reference to development of self was used by Sigmund Freud, C.H. Cooley, H.M. Johnson, G.H. Mead. So correct answer will be G.H. Mead. Option number 4. Son of a blacksmith has attained professional education and become an engineer. This is an example of intergenerational mobility, horizontal mobility, intragenerational mobility, vertical mobility. So here what we have mobility are 4 types, like but it's of 2 types, horizontal and vertical, but there are also intergenerational and intragenerational mobility. Intergenerational mobility are those in which mobility is occurred between the generation, like son, father, grandfather, while intragenerational mobility is occurring in one's life, entire life period. So here son of a blacksmith has attained professional education. So father was blacksmith and his son become engineer while attending professional education. So here it is seen that intragenerational mobility. So correct answer will be option number 3. Question number 57 is asking which is not a form of social stratification? Religion, class, gender, caste. So correct answer will be religion. All the religion are is not stratified. Stratification occurred when the things are divided in segment. Also it is evaluated on hierarchy. So then social stratification is occurred. Question number 58 is asking a hierarchical division of society into higher and lower social unities, social stratification, social differentiation, social inequality, diffusion. As I told in the previous question, so this definition is belong to social stratification. Social difference is criteria to divide into parts. Social inequality is like gender, like men access more power than women, or some caste have access more power than another caste. So this is an example of social inequality. While diffusion is occurring while in culture spread from one particular area to other particular area, that it will be diffusion. Question number 59 is asking who propounded the functional theory of social stratification. Davis and Murray, Ogburn and Nimkov, Toynbee, Morgan. So correct answer will be Davis and Murray. Here Davis and Murray is Kingsley Davis and W.E. Murray. Ogburn and Nimkov gave the concept of cultural lag, very famous concept which is asked in almost all the exams related to sociology. Toynbee and Morgan. Morgan is evolutionary thinker. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 60. Who is the author of Homo hierarchicus? G.S. Khure, M.N. Srinivas, Louis Dumo, Andre Bete. So correct answer will be Louis Dumo. And we also have to learn some another book of the options thinkers given in the option. G.S. Khure is known for the writing of Caste, Class and Race in India. M.N. Srinivas wrote The Remembered Village, which is very famous, and also Religion and Society Among the Coasts of South India. Andre Bate write the book of Caste, Class and Power. Question number 61 is match the list 1 with the list 2. So list 1 is conscious, unconscious control, direct, indirect control, positive, negative control, organized and unorganized control. So options are list 2, Karl Mannheim, Kimball Young, George Gurvich, Cooley and Bernard. So we have to first match the easiest one. Positive and negative control is if we consider C22 is coming in option number 3. Conscious and unconscious control is Cooley and Bernard. Direct and indirect control is by Karl Mannheim. Positive negative control Kimball Young. Organized and unorganized control D is equal to 3 is George Gurvich. So correct answer will be option number 3. Although I have little doubt, I will confirm this question in next video. Associative social processes does not include adjustment, cooperation, accommodation, competition. So associative social process does not include competition. These processes are which help in cooperation, accommodation and adjustment. While giving this answer, we can also find, if we do not know what will be the correct answer, we can say that adjustment, cooperation, accommodation, these are similar and competition are different. So while analyzing and eliminating, we can get our answer. Question number 63 is asking how many types of territory relatives described by Murdoch? From 51, 161, 171, 181. So correct answer will be option number 1, 151. Which among the following tribe is matrilineal in India? This is the very important question. Almost in every exam there will be one or two question of matrilineal, patrilineal tribes. So here question is asking which is the matrilineal, Khasi, Munda, Santhal, Ongi. So correct answer will be Khasi. Khasi is most famous matrilineal tribe, and it is COVID custom is also used. COVID is also applied in Khasis, and Santhal, Munda, Ongi are patrilineal. Khasi, Garo is also matrilineal tribes, and Nayars. Question number 65 is asking which of the following best reflects tribal society? Hierarchical social relation, kinship relations, commercial agriculture, scriptural religion. So in kinship, we cannot see hierarchical social relation. Kinship relation is also seeing commercial agriculture is not happen in tribal. Scriptural religion is not. So here correct answer will be option number 2. Question number 66 is asking which among the following is not a scheduled tribe of India? Bhils, Santhal, Gurjars, Ho. So here correct answer will be Gurjar. Gurjar is considered caste in Rajasthan and UP. Question number 67 is asking who held the view that Indian tribals were backward Hindus. This is the famous sentence given by G.S. Ghore, who said this tribals are not any other thing and tribal are backward Hindus, so they should have assimilate with Hindus, while Warrior Alvin said that tribal should be uh, uh, not assimilate, they should be live alone. So there will be a famous debate between G.S. Ghore and Warrior Alvin. Question number 68 is asking who coined the term subaltern? Karl Marx, N.K. Bose, Antonio Gramsci, David Hartman. So correct answer will be Antonio Gramsci. Karl Marx gave the concept of alienation, class consciousness, and N.K. Bose is from the subaltern perspective, and David Hardiman is also from the subaltern perspective. No, N.K. Bose was from civilizationist perspective. So David Hardiman, B.R. Ambedkar are from subaltern perspective. Subaltern or perspective people study those who are depressed class, who are like Dalit caste and who are marginalized women, men. Those are in minority and who are depressed. That that people study of we call subaltern. Question number 69 is asking which one is not the cause of population growth? Low age at marriage, high illiteracy, religious attitude towards family planning, professional education. So here we can check the correct answer, and correct answer will be professional education. Low age at marriage and high illiteracy and religious attitude towards family planning is very much cause for the population growth. Question number 70 is asking which of the following economist was primarily interested in population studies? Marx, Weber, Ricardo, Malthus. So correct answer will be Malthus. Malthus is the person who said that people are population are growing like geometric, and the resources are in like um, uh, arithmetic progress like this. He gave two things, and he said that one time came when population will be more and resources will be less, so people were die because not eating and they could not get food. So he was fine after many years he also criticized for this theory, and he said that he gave two concepts of positive checks and preventive checks. Positive checks are those which are happened by nature, like earthquake, tsunami. That is why nature has controlled the population. And the preventive checks are like people who use contraceptive method to for family planning. So moving on to the next question. Question number 71 is asking which of the following is not related to demographic process? Fertility, mortality, migration, morbidity. So demographic process, what is demographic? First we have to understand fertility, mortality, migration is also happened. I mean it much demographic process like when population increase or population decrease. Fertility is help in population increase. Mortality helps to population decrease. Migration also, if migration is happen from one particular area to, migration is the concept when people from one particular area to move from to another particular area for in search of job, education, etc. So migration also help in population increase or decrease from particular area. So here correct answer will be morbidity. Question number 72 is asking imitation theory of deviance was propounded by, it is Gabriel Tarde. Question 73 is asking who has given the concept of born criminal. So here correct answer will be C. Lombroso. C. Lombroso has given the concept of born criminal. He said that criminal are not become born. He gave some physical and psychological analysis to prove his concept. Question number 74 is asking Sampurnanand Ashram is associated with which of the following? Postal school, open jail, closed jail, remand jail. So it is related for open jail. Question number 75 is asking which of the following is not a cause of juvenile delinquency? Broken family, emotional instability, mental deficiency, proper socialization. So this question is for eliminating broken family, emotional stability, mental deficiency are somehow in the negative concept, while proper socialization is like a positive. So correct answer will be proper socialization. The term white collar crime was first introduced by C. Burns, E. Sutherland, E. Cohen, E. Durkheim. So white collar crime is first introduced by E. Sutherland. The types of suicide that increase in economic crisis is altruistic, anomic, egoistic, fatalistic. Which that increase in economic crisis. So this answer of this question will be anomic. Emile Durkheim gave the concept of suicide, or there are four types of suicide. Like in this option also given altruistic, anomic, egoistic, fatalistic. So Emile Durkheim says that when the societal integration is low, then egoistic suicide is happen. And egoistic suicide is happen. He gave the example of Protestant ethics, Protestant community, and when the integration of society is more, then altruistic suicide happen, like sati pratha, like when people are more integrated and they consider community life is more, and they even imagine that if for after doing this suicide they help their community member, then they do suicide. Anomic and fatalistic is happen when the regulation of society is or person or individual is determined of anomic and fatalistic society. When regulation is more, then fatalistic suicide happen. It is happen in among the people who are slave and who face more rules and regulation, like student also, failure of a student to do fatalistic suicide. Anomic suicide is happen when regulation is low. When so the type of suicide that increase in economic crisis. So here answer will be anomic suicide. I have little doubt. I will be give a correct answer of, I will confirm answer of this question in next video. Question number 78, sorry. The differential association theory of crime is propounded by Cohen, Cloud and Ohlin, Sutherland, Baker. So correct answer will be Cloud and Ohlin. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. List 1 is theory and list 2 is thinker's name. Theory of anomy, differential opportunity, differential association, labeling theory. So theory of anomy is related to Robert K. Merton. A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 comes in option 4. So we found our correct answer. Differential opportunity, B is equal to 1. Clohard, Ohlin. Differential association is C is equal to 4. Sutherland, and labeling theory is Howard Baker. So C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 2. So we have find our correct and differential association theory is crime propounded by Sutherland, right? C is equal to 4. So sorry for giving wrong answer. So correct answer correct answer of question number 78 is Sutherland, and answer of 79 will be option number 4. Question number 80 is asking the key concept in labeling theory is that acceptance, stigma, motivation, aspiration. So correct answer will be stigma. Labeling theory is given by Howard Baker, and in which people are labeled like people in which he said that when some persons are labeled that he is thief, then if he want to become a good man, he all when the label is associated with him, then he also doing thief. So labeling theory is promote in doing crimes. Question number 81 is asking out of the four pairs of writers, which one is not associated with the study of crime and deviance? Sutherland and Creasy, Eliot and Merrill, Koser and Rosenberg, Burns and Teeter. So here correct answer will be Eliot and Merrill. Which of the following is not a traditional crime? Theft, robbery, corporate crime, rape. Theft is also traditional, robbery, corporate crime. I have doubt in this question. I will be give answer in the next video. The juvenile delinquency in India belong to the age group of below 12 years, below 14 years, below 18 years, below 20 years. Correct answer will be below 18 years. Which one of the following is not a measure of central tendency? Mean, median, mode, standard deviation. Correct answer will be standard deviation. Scientific observation means to see things with a purpose, with many purposes, without a purpose for important discussion. So with scientific observation means to see with many purposes. Question number 86 is asking the interview guide will be used during interview by interviewer, different people, both 1 and 2. So interview guide is used. Which tool can be used for complete study of single social unit? So correct answer will be case study. Question number 89 is asking the correct sequence of the following research steps is research design, data collection, data processing, data analysis and interpretation. If you know that what will be the starting in the research process then an ending, then it is easily to find the all the research process. Like in the option number 2 it is research design. We know that research design is comes first, but then it option number data processing is not from before data collection, so it is wrong. The data analysis is the last process and data processing is, so option number 1 research design, data collection, data processing, data analysis and interpretation is the correct process. So correct answer will be option number 1. Question number 90 is asking a null hypothesis is a hypothesis of no difference, some difference, maximum difference, average difference. So correct answer will be no difference. 91. A statement of relationship between variable to be tested is known as research question, hypothesis, objective of the study, problem of the study. So here correct answer will be hypothesis. Question number 92 is asking what is called the tentative statement which has to be tested by researcher, hypothesis, theory, research concept. So as you see that 3 questions are on hypothesis. So you can see that hypothesis is how much important for preparing exam. Who is the author of the book McDonaldization of Society? George Ritzer, D. Smart, Anthony Giddens, E. Wallerstein. So correct answer will be George Ritzer. We know that George Ritzer has applied Max Weber's concept of bureaucracy in his study. Like McDonaldization of society is is the based on bureaucracy, like how fast and how rules or regulation are followed in McDonald to serve their customer. Question number 94 is asking, according to Durkheim, which one is not the characteristics of social fact? The nature of social fact is abstract. Social fact is exteriority to the individual. Constraint is the characteristic of social fact. Social fact may be normal and pathological both. So, option number 2, 3 are definitely characteristic of social fact. So here is saying the nature of social fact is abstract, and social fact may be normal and pathological both. So here option number 4 is our correct answer. And if I have some doubt, I will clear in next video. Question number 95. What is the correct sequence of the above Weberian classification of types of social action? Traditional action, transactional action, word directional action, affectual action. So here asking what is the sequence? Well, so first come word rational action. No, it is not. First transactional action, then word directional, then affectual action, then traditional action. So option number 3 is correct answer. Although Max Weber did not mention in sequence, but we can't say which type of question is asked in the paper. Whose name is associated with Worsthian approach? Emile Durkheim, Etonis, Max Weber, Wilfredo Pareto. So correct answer will be Max Weber, who wrote The History of All Hitherto Existing Society is a History of Class Struggle. Dahrendorf, Karl Marx, Gozer, Weber. This famous quotation is by Karl Marx. Question number 98 is asking, who is the co-author of Communist Manifesto with Marx? And correct answer will be Friedrich Engel. We know that Friedrich Engel was Marx's best friend, and he also co-authored the Holy Communist Manifesto. Question number 99 is asking, is the match the following? We have to match concept to thinkers. Organic solidarity, rationalization, alienation, westernization. So organic solidarity is belong to Emile Durkheim, is equal to 2, is comes in 2 options. Rationalization is given by Max Weber. Alienation is given by Karl Marx. And westernization is given by M.N. Srinivas. So correct answer will be option number 2. Question number 100. Method in Social Research. Book is written by Selutz and Johota, Goudet and Hart, Stephen and Phillips, Sonner and Fittig. So this book is written by Goudet and Hart. So thank you so much for watching this video.